everyone, welcome back to Rihana's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I am going to share a popular street food in New York City, which is the Halal Cart chicken over rice. This can be seen all over the place in New York City. Here I am sharing the recipe and you can make it easily at your home. In a bowl of chicken over rice, chicken is served with yellow rice and salad. For the marinade, we need yogurt 3 tablespoons, salt to your taste, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, tandoori masala or tikka masala 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, oregano 1 teaspoon, olive oil 2 tablespoons, and lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Mix it well until everything combines together. Add 1 pound of chicken breast, cut it into small size pieces and mix everything together until it combines well. If you have time, you can marinate for like 30 to 60 minutes in the refrigerator. Otherwise, you can cook right away. Heat a pan and you can add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then add the marinated chicken and cook it for like 7 minutes on high flame. Cover and cook for another 10 more minutes on medium flame. Once it's ready, you can turn off the heat and set aside. For the rice, heat a pan, add 4 tablespoons olive oil, 3 tablespoons butter, and add 2 small sticks of cinnamon, green cardamom 4. Add 1 garlic clove minced and give it a mix, and then you can add 1 chicken cube and give it a mix and cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Add garlic powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, salt to your taste, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, and give it a mix, and then you can add soaked 2 cups of rice and mix it well. You can add 4 cups of hot water, give it a mix. Once it starts bubbling, you can cover the pot and cook for 10 minutes. For the white sauce, we need ½ cup of mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons yogurt, garlic clove 1 crushed, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder ½ teaspoon, parsley leaves 1 teaspoon, salt to your taste, water 2 tablespoons or adjust, and add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Whisk it well until everything combined together, and then you can transfer to a bottle and keep it refrigerate. After 10 minutes, you can open the lid and you can fluff the rice and then cover and let it rest for another 10 more minutes. For the salad, we need chopped lettuce, tomato, cucumber, onion, and chopped parsley, and you can add some drizzle of lemon juice and a little bit salt and pepper. Now we can assemble the bowl. First you can add the cooked rice on the side. Then you can place the cooked chicken on top and then salad on the side. Then finally you can drizzle some white sauce and sriracha on top. Yummy, delicious Halal Cart chicken over rice is ready to serve now. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye, take care.